his friends. Welcome to the Maak channel. First is the subject of our first painting today. So, grab your pencils, paper, and let's start painting. You can draw your favorite pictures with simple shapes and lines. Do you like to draw accessories? Join me to enjoy this beautiful painting. I love to draw and of course coloring. After pink, a little yellow, blue and green. For this beautiful heart. Now it's time for the second beautiful painting today, the necklace. Put the circles together to make a beautiful necklace. You can use other forms as well. What other accessories do you like? Time to color. Red. You can use different colors for coloring. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What a beautiful painting! Stay with me. We are having a good time today. Our third drawing today is a cute hat. Don't forget to have a hat on hot and sunny days. A cute heart makes the hat more beautiful. Let's go coloring. Use happy colors for coloring. Pink, yellow, red and purple. Are you ready? Wow, awesome! Let's draw more. Castle drawing. Let's start with the castle walls. Draw a big rectangle for the main building. Now, let's add some tall towers. Every tower needs a pointed roof. Don't forget to draw the windows. Let's add a big door in the middle. How about adding flags on the towers? Let's make the castle look magical. Coloring time! You can color the castle however you like. Castles were built a long time ago to keep people safe. They have thick walls to protect from enemies. Castles often have towers to watch for danger. Kings and queens used to live in big castles. Even have secret passages.